Hi and welcome. I have another art journal page today and it's inspired by this artist trading card which I really liked, and I like the colors, the texture, and I want to make a bigger spread in this style. I'm working in my collage journal. It's a cheap paper pad from the Action store and I love to use this for collages. I searched for some papers that had the right colors for my project, and here I'm just preparing a background where I can lay the papers down while I'm adhering, or while I'm adding the glue. I'm using the Tombow glue stick. It's my favorite, especially for quick collages. The paper I'm using here is a rice paper and it's printed with the jelly plate. There is already a video on my channel where I share the making of such collage papers, and I will link it up in the end cards. You have to excuse my voice today, it's unfortunately not the best. I love making these collage pages. They don't take too much time and I feel a lot of fun because it's pure freedom to just adhere some pretty papers to a paper, and you can't do anything wrong. If you mess it up, then you can just flip the page over and do it again, or you can even tear out the page. I try to find similar papers to the ones I've used for the artist trading card, and by the way, the making of video of the artist trading card is available on my Instagram page. Sometimes when I'm not sure which paper fits and which one doesn't, I just try out different layouts, and often I have a view through my camera onto the page, or sometimes I would take a picture, a photo of different combinations, and then I decide what I like. I'm ending up covering up the whole rainbow with that green paper because I felt that it fits much better. I'm really happy with the page. I think I will only add a little paper piece to the top right corner, and in my next step I'm going to add some stamping to create a little bit of texture. When I'm stamping, I try to use colors that are matching my page. Here I'm using that red color because I've used that on the artist trading card and I really liked how this turned out. Of course, I will link up all the stamp sets I've been using here in the video description. Stamping on rice paper with a clear stamp can be a bit tricky because it's really kind of dry and it sticks to the acrylic stamp if there is not enough ink on it. So you have to make sure that you have loaded it up with ink so it does not stick to your stamp. I'm cleaning the stamps with a clear wipe. I usually tend to not clean my stamps, but with the clear stamps I decided I will do it because I don't know if they like being covered with ink. I know that the rubber stamps are not very sensible, so that's not an issue. But maybe with the clear stamps. Here I'm getting out my acrylic ink in black and I'm making some splatters. For my main image, I have stamped one of the sketchy leaves, and I think I used some Bristol paper. I'm mixing a pink with one of the metallic colors from Paul Rubens. It's from their Gucci set. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I will give you a review on these paints in a video soon. I do the coloring very loosely because I don't want to spend too much time with it, and I prefer when it looks a bit messy. I will let this dry and then cut it out so I can use it on my art journal page. Here I am about to decide where I want to put this, and I think it's perfect over the green area. I adhered that leaf, and here I'm cutting some words that I will also adhere to the page. The words are from the Mix a Sentiment stamp sets, and I have embossed them in white onto black cardstock, and then I'm searching for the words I want to use and cut them out. Yes, and that's my finished page. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye!